eine das oder eine... Welcome back to the channel. This is already episode number 2. I had like a good night's sleep, but I was quite early up and running. Packed my tent, got leaving at the camping site at 7 o'clock, and then I got to the bakery. So big day ahead today. And why is that? Well, I have something about like a love-hate relationship with this pass. Last time that I did it in snow. Nobody there, but completely white. It was beautiful though. And the time after that, I did it in the rain. So that was not really amusing. First of all, I'm going to take my breakfast at a quiet space here. It's now 8 o'clock-ish, and then we will go up. Okay. So everything is fixed. We can leave. So Stelvio Pass, here we go. It's not my first rodeo, and it will not be my last. I do like switchbacks. But you have to be careful, like really careful. Like I see a lot of people taking the corners like too wide. If you're in at the outside, then you take it like as wide as possible. But when you're on the inside, go small. Learn to adapt yourself, learn the skill of driving slow and driving on the inside of the corner. Do you guys already see him? There she is. Del Passo di Stelvio. Or how you say it in Italian, I don't know. But it does have a lot of hairpin corners. I don't know actually the right number. We'll put it in the screen over here. This is corner number 20. I'm always asking myself the question, like the cows that are living on mountains like these. This is like really steep stuff. Are they born with legs that are shorter at one side? Put it in the comments, please. I'm quite interested how you guys want to discuss that. Like that should be like insanely funny. You put a mountain goat or a mountain cow on a flat surface and then they're like, okay, we're dropping. There is an African twin behind me, and he's doing well, the bastard. He's really doing well. And also the little vans with Italian number plates. Do not underestimate those guys. They're locals, they do work here. They do this pass maybe like 3 to 4 times a day. And they will be quicker than you are. Okay. This must be the perfect place to have a little stop. And yeah, I'm going to get the drone out and show you what the Stelvio is all about from the air. So enjoy the drone footage. It's already my third time that I'm doing Stelvio Pass, and to be honest, it keeps surprising me. I do love it, with all the hairpin corners and everything. Yeah, I like it. Now I'm at the top. I'm just having a walk here and looking around to all the stars. And yeah, in a few minutes I'm going back down again to Bormio. So now you saw the Stelvio, the famous Stelvio with all the hairpins. It's like incredible to see how they engineered it and how they built it. I like to drive it up, but I don't like to go down on it. Just for the simple reason that it is steep to go down. And we're heading for direction Bormio, so Italy. This is a side of the mountain that is less dramatic, but it descends much slower and much more gentle. And I think we did the pass like just before all the crowds came in. I love it when a plan comes together. I spoke with some guys at the upper part. There is like an off-road track for 4x4s or enduros, and I was thinking about going up. It is quite steep, but I spoke with a guy there. He was working on the same track, and he was like, yeah, I don't do it because there is a slab of snow, like about 10 to 20 meters of snow just laying on the track. So with the big Rhino here, it's not the ideal situation, but hey, no worries. The off-road part is coming, but then that is going to be for episode 4, maybe 4, 5. Yeah, there will be some off-road riding, definitely. Look how stunning this is. It's absolutely stunning.
You have to be honest. The Stelvio Pass is a beautiful place to be. Like at one side you have like the rough terrain with all the hairpin corners, and then on this side you have the green flowy curves and the beautiful landscape. It's really a nice place to be. Well, I am heading to Bormio, and there we're going to get the drone back up again. But first I want to share you a little piece of the video where another biker decided to pass a car like just before the corner started. I don't want to be Mr. Safe, and I do ride sometimes faster than I'm allowed to, but guys, be honest, drive safe, don't do things like this because it's dangerous for yourselves but also for other people. If you want to pass a car in the mountains, do it before or after the corner, not like in the corner. Not a good idea, but yeah, why not? So I'm heading to Bormio. I'm just going to stop here and get the drone out to give you some footage of this side of the mountain, and then we're leaving Italy and going direction Livigno. And here you have it, the Stelvio Pass on a sunny day. I already had it in the snow and in the rain, but yeah, now in the sun, much nicer, much nicer. Like the views, the corners, the riding, absolutely splendid. So yeah, we're heading to Livigno and then back to Switzerland. I'm going to search myself like a camping spot or something else, because tomorrow is going to be a big day in Switzerland with a lot of passes. I hope you liked this video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's it. So thanks again for watching, and I see you in the next one.